Good morning, everyone. So, yesterday we were learning about the responsibilities of consumers. Okay, now today we will learn something new about the Consumer Protection Act. Let's see. See, the silent features of provision of Consumer Protection Act 1986. There are some features which are very much important regarding Consumer Protection Act and what the things it facilitates, what the uh, remedies, what the justice or the platform the Consumer Protection is provide us. That is, we will study here. Let's see from first. First one is given, who can file a complaint again under Consumer Protection Act 1986? Who can file a complaint? Do you think that any person can file a case? No. If some fraud is with one person, then only that person can file the case. Or there are so many things who can file the case. Otherwise, ऐसा नहीं है कि there is some cheating with one person and rest of the person, any of the person can file the case. No, he can't do like this. Okay. So let's see from first who can file the case. First one is any consumer. If the consumer, he himself, if the cheating take place with him, then he himself will file the case. Then this is called, sorry, then he can file the case if he himself is a consumer. Okay, and the cheating was done with himself. Next one is any registered consumer association. If there is any organization, whether it is government organization or non-government organization, NGO, if they are registered organization, then they can file the case. Any registered association related to consumers. ऐसा नहीं है कि there is some consumer related matter and Mahila Ayog is filing a case. No, it should not be done. Okay, so consumer association may file case for the benefit of consumers. Next one is the central or state government. Government can also file case on behalf of consumers. Okay, now one or more consumers on behalf of numerous consumers having same interest. Yes, if you are one or two persons are also consumer of the same company, same product, and there are a large number of consumers of that company, one or two consumers may file the case for the benefit of all, not for personal benefit. तो उनका केस जो है, उनका जो कंप्लेन होगी उसका फॉर्म चेंज हो जाएगा. If single person files complaint for himself that I was cheated, then the case is for individual person only. If one person files case that I was cheated and the company cheats with all the customers, then the case will be in a group. So one or more consumers on behalf of all consumers, they can file a case. Okay. Next one is a legal hire or representative of a deceased consumer. Yes, on legal person, lawful person means lawyer, advocate, they can file case if we appointed them as our representative. If there is a consumer, there is some cheating uh, transaction took place with him, then he can hire a lawyer and that lawyer can file a case on behalf of that consumer. Okay, so all these people, any consumer or any registered organization or the government or the hired legal person, anybody can file the case, but the person who is not concerned anyhow with the consumer, with the company's product, then he can't file a case. Okay, next, complaint can be filed and compensation claimed. Let's see, fraudulent practices. Compensation can be taken for which type of frauds, which type of problems. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी भी एक्टिविटी में आप उसने नॉर्मल ट्रांजैक्शन किया एंड यू विल फाइल अ केस, नॉट लाइक दैट. देयर आर सम problems in which cases you can file a case. Let's see, fraudulent practices by traders and manufacturers, by producer or seller, anybody if there is some fraud activities, then consumer can file a case. Okay, next one is defective goods. If we purchase a product with all the responsibility and awareness by checking every standardized mark and precautions, we purchased a product and afterward the product becomes defective. In such case, the complaint can be filed and the remedy will be given from the redressal system. Next one is deficiency in services in connection with 9 services, such as, see, these are the 9 services given here. If in these services if there is any deficiency, means the services are not provided properly, in such case the complaint can be filed. Okay, now what the 9 services are: banking, transportation, insurance, supply of electricity, gas, house construction, medical. Means if medical services are not provided properly, our patient is in hospital and the doctors are not caring him. Okay, if insurance company, in case of any mishappening, insurance company is not giving any claim, we have insurance policy and they are not giving us claim. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, हमने उसे कहीं जाने के लिए कहा, प्रोडक्ट कहीं पहुंचाने के लिए कहा, उसने कहीं और पहुंचा दिया. In such case can be filed. Or sometime the product has been misplaced. कई बार बीच में से ट्रक में से चोरी कर लेते हैं कुछ सामान. So if the material is misplaced, then the case can be filed. Next one is banking services. If there are some services deficiency or wrong activities are done, then case can be filed. Okay, so in case of any deficiency, in which cases the case can be filed, complaint can be filed in fraud activities, defective goods, and services are not as per the mark, as per the promises. Okay, now if we will file case, then what type of remedies will be available to consumers? What type of remedies? Only the compensation, monetary compensation will be given, or something else also? Yes, let's see what type of remedies will be given to the consumers by the redressal system. First one is remove defective goods and deficiency in services. If the case is filed, complaint is filed regarding services, if there is any deficiency in these services, then the deficiency is removed. For example, your gas connection is put, but the gas supply is not proper, or gas is not supplied. Okay, in such case you will file a complaint and the remedy will be given that the gas supply will become regular and they will start gas supply. Okay, so defect from that good or services will be removed and the product will be okay. Next one is replace defective goods. If the consumer demands that I don't want defect removal, I want replacement of the product, depends on the defect, depends on the judgment of the court, of the forum. Goods can be defective, may be removed in the same goods, or the goods may be replaced. The new piece, new goods will be given to them. Next one is refund prices. Sometimes consumer says, I don't want to continue with this company because I have so many conflicted with them and so many I'm not satisfied with the company's services. That is why my money should be refunded. So in such case, money must be refunded. Next one, pay a reasonable amount of compensation for any loss or injury suffered. If there is any type of loss, physical, material loss, or physical loss, or any life loss, any type of loss is there, then reasonable compensation will be given. बॉडी को हार्म हो, हमारे सामान को हार्म हो, या लाइफ को कोई हार्म हो, in such case the compensation, monetary compensation will be given. Next one is pay punitive damages in appropriate circumstances. So in some certain circumstances, the punishment may be given. Next one is discontinue unfair restrictive trade practices. This is given that the this type of activities must discontinue. Okay, so now the remedy is given, and next day the same type of problem will start. Then what is the use of such judgment? The benefit of judgment is that whatever unfair trade practices are going on, then it should not be continued. Okay, next one is not to offer hazardous goods for sale, service for sale. Actually, if the goods are sold in market, then next point is also attached with this: withdraw hazardous goods from sale. If hazardous goods or dangerous goods are not up to the standard, goods are sold in market, then these goods are withdrawn from market. Defective goods are withdrawn from market. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, जैसे मेडिसिन कोई गलत आ गई है, तो उस मेडिसिन को मार्केट से विड्रॉ करा लेते हैं। जहां जहां उसके बैच नंबर्स डले होते हैं ना हर प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर, अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल आइडेंटिफाई कि ये बैच नंबर किस जगह पर, किस शहर में, किस शॉप पर गया है। ठीक है, तो वहां पर उस शॉप से उस प्रोडक्ट को वापस उठा लेते हैं, विड्रॉ कर लेते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को। सो नॉट टू कंटिन्यू द सेल एंड विड्रॉ द प्रोडक्ट विच इज ऑलरेडी इन मार्केट। मार्केट से वापस विड्रॉ कर लेते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को अगर कोई defective product है। Next one is cease manufacturing hazardous goods. Such type of goods manufacturing production is also stopped. Pay an amount to consumer welfare fund person not less than 5,000 to be utilized in the prescribed manner. Okay, so government may, the court may give justice that whatever you have earned, it's 5% minimum or more than 5% must be given to welfare fund, consumer welfare fund. Next one is issue corrective advertisement. If there is some wrong advertisement, then the advertisement must be rectified, the correction must be done. Have you seen one advertisement कि रिन का एड आता है, जगह तो ठीक है बट मुझे यहाँ इंग्लिश बोलने वाले स्मार्ट मैनेजर्स मिलेंगे। व्हाट इज इन इंग्लिश? Is there something special in English? Our Indian mother tongue is Hindi. So we should prefer Hindi. Why should we demoralize our Indians, just in qualified Indians, just because of they don't know is English speaking? It's not good, na? It is not conveying a good message. So from now you check from this advertisement, this English term is removed and the advertisement says now the advertisement says जगह तो ठीक है पर क्या मुझे यहाँ स्मार्ट मैनेजर्स मिलेंगे, इंग्लिश बोलने वाले। that term, these words are removed from that advertising. So if there is something wrong in advertising, then it should be corrected. Next one is pay adequate cost to parties. If the party do not want that product, in such case product will be surrendered and the adequate cost will be given to the consumer. So all these remedies are available to the consumer as per the situations, as per the problems, as per the complaint. The remedy will be given by the forum judge. Okay, next one is some important consumer organization and NGOs engage in protecting consumer interest. These are no consumer awareness. All these things are not in our syllabus. Okay, role of consumer organization and NGOs, this is also not in our syllabus, but the question may be asked. That is why we will just a little reading we will have. So let's have a little knowledge about it. What the NGOs do: these NGOs actually educate general public. How they educate? They educate regarding the rights and responsibilities. They organize so many program, training programs, seminars, workshops through advertising, है ना? See, publishing periodicals, time to time they publish periodicals, means magazines, periodic magazines, weekly, fortnightly magazines they issue to educate customers. Providing legal assistance to consumers. Sometimes if a consumer is not in a condition to file a case, then legal assistance is also given by NGOs. These are NGOs having their own lawyers and they will file case on behalf of the consumers. नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रोड्यूसिंग फिल्म्स और कैसेट्स ऑन वीडियो एडल्ट्रेशन। कभी भी किसी मूवी के स्टार्टिंग में देखा है आपने, है ना, स्मोकिंग का, एल्कोहल का एड आता है ना, टोबैको प्रोडक्ट का एड आता है। तो ये सब क्या है, ये जस्ट टू अवेयर द कंज्यूमर्स। इसी टाइप के और भी एड्स आते हैं टू अवेयर द कंज्यूमर्स। सो सम फिल्म्स वगैरह प्रोड्यूस करने का काम भी करती हैं ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. नेक्स्ट वन इज filing complaint on consumers behalf if there is some cheating with the consumer then these consumer association हमने पढ़ा था ना ऊपर अभी consumer associations may file complaint on behalf of all the consumers. Next one is encouraging consumers to take an action against unfair trade practices means they give knowledge about their rights and responsibilities to the consumers so that and encourage them motivate them to raise their voice against such corruption. Next one is taking an initiative in filing cases in consumer court on behalf of consumers. Sometimes there is no consumer who says that the cheating is done with me, but everybody knows the cheating is going on. Then also the consumer, these organizations may file complaint in consumer court. So these are the roles of NGOs. This is not part of our syllabus, but there is some confusion. That is why a little we will just read it. We will not learn it. Read it. Okay. Now this much is sufficient for today.